I'm making whipped cream at home using my KitchenAid. Fresh whipped cream is actually so much superior to what you find in the can. The can does make it a little easier to make it look pretty, I have to give it that, but the flavor that's from fresh cream, so much better. The first step is to freeze both the bowl and the beater so that they're nice and cold. I then place 1 cup of heavy whipping cream that's very cold into my bowl. In order to get my heavy whipping cream, since I have a cow, I have to take just the top portion of the cream. This is stuff that I've taken out of the top of the milk. You can see that it continues to separate here. There's just a tiny bit more milk in the bottom, and then it gradually gets heavier and heavier for the cream going through. So the perfect stuff for making the whipped cream is in the top portion. Of course, if you're buying it from the store, they've done that part for you. I then add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. I used to add that in later, but sometimes it can be a little bit granular, and this gives it just that time that it needs to break down and really get absorbed into the cream. Then I'll turn on my mixer up to a medium speed. Now that the sugar is all mixed in, I'll move it up to high speed. Now that soft peaks are starting to form, I'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then I'll continue to whip it until the peaks are nice and stiff. You can tell that they're stiff if you make them form into a peak and they don't start melting back down. Be sure not to over whip the cream, because if you do, it starts to turn into butter. So once those stiff peaks form, that's when you want to stop. Whipped cream that's been made at home is usually best eaten fresh. It can hold out for maybe a couple of hours, but particularly by the next day, it will start to separate and you'll get a little more of the liquid on the bottom. So I really recommend using it the same day that you make it, probably within a couple of hours. And that is all that it takes to make homemade whipped cream. Really quick, really easy. One of my favorite things to eat it on is actually canned peaches. So let's do a little taste tester. So good.